Let us start the class, my dear friends. We'll discuss about some of the problems which have come in GATE examination on hierarchical paging. Let us note on problem number 2. This is the second problem. The page size is 16 KB. Virtual address space VA is 48 bits. The page table entry size is equals to 4 bytes. Okay. How many levels of page table we need? That is the first question. How many levels of page table? Generally in paging we have seen one page table, but in hierarchical page table we are going to divide a single page table into several page tables: 2-level page table, 3-level page table, 4-level page table. Now question is, how many levels of page tables we have? We need to divide. That is the question. Question is, levels of page table required. Levels of page table. Second question, physical address and logical address. Physical address, PA, and logical address. Okay. The given is VA is 48 bits. With 48 bits, what is the size of the secondary memory? A process needs how much memory required, that is VA. Physical address means RAM size. What is the RAM size? Required RAM size. How to calculate the size of the RAM? These are the given. Page size is 16 KB. If page size is 16 KB is given, what does that mean? Automatically it is given frame size also. So here from this, page size is equals to frame size. Okay. Physical memory will divide into frames. Secondary memory will divide into frames. Physical memory we divide into frames. Secondary memory will divide it into pages. So both are equal. Both are divided with equal size. Page size equals to frame size. That is 16 KB. Virtual address is 48 bits. Page table entry is 4 bytes. Now we need to calculate length of page table, and that means CPU is generated a logical address, virtual address 48 bits. Page table is there. We don't know what is the page table size, but entry, in each entry it is 4 bytes. It means 4 bytes means 32 bits. From here we will go to F by D. From this we have to access main memory by difference. This is secondary memory. This is page 16 KB is equals to same as 16 KB. Both are equal. Here and here both are equal. Okay, this is the given. With this, we need to find out what is this. We have to calculate this. With this 48 bits, of logical address space, what is the size of secondary address space? Logical address space, secondary address space. What is the size we need to calculate? First one, we need to calculate this. With this, what is the size of the Main memory, we need to calculate what is the size of the main memory. Again, what is the size of the virtual address space using 48 bits, need to calculate. What is the size of the page table we need to calculate. This page table has to fit in one of the frame. The frame size is here 16 KB. So whatever the page table size should be less than 16 KB. This size of the page table, if it is greater than 16 KB, suppose page table is greater than 16 KB, then it cannot fit. For example, this may be 20 KB, this is greater than 16 KB. It cannot fit in 16 KB this table, so that this table has to be divided into 2 page table or 3 page table like that. Now, how many page tables we require? That is a question here. How many levels of page tables are required? Now we will do by step procedure. Now we have seen what is given, and pictorially we have seen what is the problems we need to solve. Okay, using logical address, we have to find logical address space with physical address. Physical address is not given. We need to find out what is the physical address. Physical address, how many bits for physical address. With that, if you know the number of bits in physical address, we can find out physical address space. Okay. Then we need to calculate the size of the page table. If page table size is increases than a frame size, then obviously we need to divide the page table into 2 page tables. Okay. So inner page table data has to be stored in inner page table, index has to be stored in outer page table. Why? Because why to store? So one page table size is more than frame size. Okay. Now let us follow step by step procedure, then you will be able to understand. These are the given 4 lines. We'll start with step by step procedure, my dear friends. Now, first one, note down step 1. Page table entry size. We have seen that page table entry size is 4 bytes. It means page table, we don't know how many pages. Here in page table, these are pages. We don't know how many pages, but each page table index is 32 bits or 4 bytes. Okay. What is this actually? This is frame number. So frame number in page table in one entry has frame number. So page table entry means 4 bytes means 32 bits or 4 bytes. So from this we found that it is indirectly given as frame number. Okay. Note on the first point, page table entry size, PT size is already given. PT entry size 4 bytes is equals to 32 bits. Okay. Now, obviously it means now frame number of bits is equals to 32 bits. Yeah, in physical address, F by D we need. Okay. Now F is 32 bits. We already found F is 32 bits. And how to find D? D is nothing but page size or frame size. From here, page size is 16 KB. 16 KB means what? KB 2 power 2. 2 for 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 2 power 4 into 2 power 10. So 2 power 14. So 14 bits are required for offset D. Understood? Total how many pages? 2 power 32 pages in physical memory. In physical memory like this, how many pages are there? 2 power 32 pages are there. In each page size is what? Each page size is 16 KB. 16 KB is each page size. Understood, my dear friends? So these 32 bits are required to go to one of the frame. Within the frame, how we will search? The frame size is 16 KB. 16 KB means we require 14 bits. So this is F by D. Now we are able to find out physical F by D. What is the physical address space? So total how many bits required for physical address space? Then we need to add this 32 plus 14. Then 32 plus 14, 46 bits are needed. For physical address, 46 bits are needed. Means 2 power 46. 2 power 46 bytes is the size of the physical address. Let us do step by step procedure. Yeah. Total number of frames is total number of frames. Just now we have seen how many frames, since 32 bits means 2 power 32 frames. Okay. And size of main memory. Size of main memory. 2 power 32 into 16 KB. Just now we discussed it. So is equals to 2 power 46 bytes. 2 power 46 means 2 power 6 into 2 power 40. 2 power 6 means, yes, see, 2 power 6, please kindly note down in a particular place, 2 power 1, this 2, 2 power 2, 4, 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 4, 16, 2 power 5, 32, 2 power 6, 64, 2 power 7, 128, 2 power 8, 256, 2 power 9, 512, 2 power 10 is equals to 1024. This is, please remember, put it right somewhere in the notebook. Regularly we are going to use this. Now 2 power 6 is 64. 64, 2 power 40 means TB, terabytes. 64 terabytes is the size of the main memory. So it requires how many bits, my dear friends? 46 bits. 46. So the 46 bits is divided into 32 bits frame number and 6 bit is offset. This is D, this is F. I hope you followed till now. Okay, let us follow next. Now we calculated size of the main memory. The size of the main memory is equals to how many? 64 TB. Done. So number of bits need is 46. Okay. Physical address space needs 46 bits. Just now we have seen 2 power 46 is equals to 64 TB. Okay. Yeah. Next. Number of bits in page offset we have seen 14. It's done. Now let us find out process size. Yeah. How to find out the process size? CPU is given, my dear friends, generated 48 bits. So 48 bits CPU generated of virtual address space. Now process size we can calculate by 2 power 48 Simply if you say that 2 power 48 is equals to 2 power 8 into 2 power 40. What is 2 power 8? 256 is equals to 256 TB. 2 power 10 is always 1 KB. 2 power 10 1 2 power 20 1 MB. 2 power 30 1 GB. 2 power 40 1 TB. So this is 2 power 56 TB. Process size. How we calculated? Using virtual address space 48. CPU generated 48 bits virtual address space. Using this 2 power 48 256 TB. Okay. How many pages in 256 TB a process need? How many pages? Now how to calculate a number of pages? The number of pages is equals to process size by number of pages is equals to now process size by page size. Now what is process size? 256 TB by page size is 16 KB. Okay. Now we will simplify this. Here we will simplify this. I hope you written. (256 TB by 16 KB). 256 means 2 power 8. TB means 2 power 40 by 16 means here 2 power 4. KB means 2 power 10. If you see here 2 power 48 minus 2 power 14. This is 48 14 4. 2 power 34. How many pages? 2 power 34 pages. My dear friends, okay, the total size is, this is 256 TB. In that, how many pages of size 16 KB with 16 KB is page size? How many 16 KBs are there are available in 256 TB? It is by calculation there are 2 power 34 pages. These are like this. How many? Like this 2 power 34 pages. 2 power 34 pages. Now we will calculate the size of the page table. How can we calculate the size of the page table? Total number of pages means 2 power 24 into each entry. How many bytes? Each entry 4 bytes. So total size of the page table we can calculate 2 power 34 into 4 bytes. Now let us see the calculation of finding the page table size. Okay. Now page table size. Page table size is equals to 2 power 34 pages like these pages into each 2 power 34 pages. This is PT. How many? 2 power 34. Each page, each entry, how many? 4 bytes. Okay. This is virtual address space, virtual space, 256 MB. Okay. 2 power 34 pages with this. Now we are storing in this table. 2 power 34 pages. Each one is stored with 4 byte. What is this 4 byte? 4 byte is to store frame number. Okay, frame number. Please refer the diagram, paging diagram. Okay, this is page table. into 4 bytes is equals to 2 power 36 bytes. What is this 2 power 36? 2 power 36 is nothing but 2 power 6 into 2 power 30 is equals to 64 into 1 GB. Yeah, this is 64 GB page size, page table size. Okay, we have calculated just now. Page table size is equals to page table size is equals to, my dear friends, 64 GB. Now this question is, this 64 GB can be stored in one frame. One frame is 16 KB in main memory. Can you able to store this 64 GB here? Enter this table. Can you able to store? No, my dear friends, we cannot store. Now the concept of hierarchical paging has come. We need to divide this page size so that in different types of sub-pages, sub-page tables, so that each page table can fit into 16 KB memory. Understood? This is greater than 16 KB. We need to divide number of page tables. Either two-way page table. Let us see that how many page tables we can divide so that each page table can fit into particular frame in the main memory. That is the concept. Now the actual problem starts now. Please follow carefully. Now so far what we have done is, I will show you. We done like this. CPU. So generated 48-bit. This is generated with 48-bit, and now we calculated the size of the page table. This size of the page table is 64 GB. Okay, this is 4 byte. We will give to frame. We calculated just now what is the size and all. With this we are going to use memory. Now this 64 GB, this is a very big, huge page table. So our job is, we want to make smaller page tables. It below 16 KB. Only 2 power, very big page table. Now we will divide this into smaller page table. Next will follow. Okay. Next. Number of pages of inner page table. Now the page table size is, my dear friends, just now we have seen 64 GB. Okay. Total, each one is 16 KB. Now we are going to divide this page table into number of pages. Since it's so big page table, we'll divide this into pages and we'll store the index into the outer page table. Now let us see this. Number of pages of inner page table. Number of pages of inner page table. The total is 64 GB. Okay. Total is 64 GB. We'll find out number of pages of inner page table. This how many? Page table size by page table size by page size. Page table size is 64 GB. Now page size is 16 KB. Then we'll get number of pages of inner page table. Okay, this gives, my dear friends, 2 power 22 pages. 2 power 22 pages. What does that mean? This is total size. Number of pages are 2 power 22 with the size 16 KB. With the 16 KB, how many pages? 2 power 22. Now we'll store in outer page table these 2 power 22. These 22 bits, right? We need to go to any particular page. 22 bits we require. Within that, after getting using 22 bits, you going to reach any one of the page. After reaching, we need to offset to go inside the 16 KB. For that, the 16 KB is divided by 4 byte, because one location is for 4 bytes. All 4 bytes is equals to represents one location only. That is why we are dividing with 4 KB by 4 byte. Then we'll get 2 power 16 KB, but this is 2 power 12 entries. This is 2 power 12 entries. 2 power 12. See that? For this is big page table. We'll divide this page table into pages. The page size is 16 KB. So we divided. So when we divide it, how many pages we got? 2 power 22 pages we got. 2 power 22. Like this. In each page size is 16 KB. So that 16 KB by 4 bytes gives 2 power 12 bytes. Why we need to divide with 4 bytes? One location represents 4 bytes. One location, if it is one location represented with 1 byte, no need to division. But it is represented with 4 bytes. So that means, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0, or 0, 0 location. 0, 0 location for all these 4 bytes. That is the meaning. Again 0, 0, 0, 1, next 4 bytes. That is why we are dividing with 4 bytes. I hope you understand. So, in outer page table, we need to store 22 and 4. In offset, we know this is offset D. We'll store here. This is 22 to be stored in outer page table. What is this 22? 22 bits we need to go to the inner page table. Inner page table is divided by 16 KB. Out of 64 GB, we'll divide with 16 KB, means we will get 2 power 22 pages. Within the one page, how many bits we need? What is offset? 12 bits. Okay. Now we'll go. We'll continue. Now, outer page table size. Outer page table size. Outer page table size, my dear friends. In outer page table, what we have stored? 2 power 22 entries of inner page. Just now we have seen the previous diagram. 2 power 22 entries. Inner page table size is 64 GB. That is divided into number of pages. That pages is how many? 2 power 22 pages. That 2 power 22 pages we are storing in outer page table. Okay. So now 2 power 22 pages are stored. These 2 power 22 pages will refer to the inner page table. Inner page table. Okay. So the size of the inner page table is 2 power 22 in, and each location is 4 bytes. So size of the inner page table 2 power 22 into 2 power 2 power 24 bytes is equals to 16 MB. This is 16 MB of outer page table. Are you getting my difference? This is outer page table. How we calculate outer page table? Outer page table, this outer page table always stores inner page table pages. Inner page table, how many pages are there? 2 power 22 pages. So 2 power 22 pages has to be stored in outer page table. So outer page table 2 power 22 pages are stored. These 2 power 22 of inner table into each entry is 4 bytes. So this gives my difference 16 MB. This is outer page table. Outer page table. So outer page table is greater than 16 KB. Why? This table also, first page table how much? 64 GB. Second page table how much? 14 MB. This is, we cannot store it in 16 KB. We gone for outer page table. That is also we achieved with 16 MB. This cannot be is greater than 16 KB. So this cannot be stored in 16 KB. Again, process continues. We need to divide this page table again, so that this is outer one second page table we achieved for second. Next page table we have to, third page table we have to go. Let us see what happens. Outer page table size is, outer page table size is, my dear friends, 16 MB. We calculated right now. Now number of, now this is so big, we'll divide into pages. These pages we'll store it in again outer page table 2. Okay, for that again we are dividing this page. This is huge, very big table. Again we need to divide into pages. Let us see how. The number of pages of outer page table. Number of pages of outer page table 1 is equals to 16 MB by page size is 16 KB is equals to how many? 2 power 10 pages. So this table we calculated PT1, page table 1, this is 16 MB, but so big it is, it cannot fit in a single frame. We need to divide again into smaller page table. So we'll divide this into number of pages. So each page is 16 KB. So if we divide this, how many pages we got? 2 power 10 pages. 2 power 10 pages. This 2 power 10 pages, 2 power 10 should be stored in outer page table 2. Outer page table 2. Okay. To search in 16 KB, outer page table gives this 10 will store in outer page table 2, PT2. This 10 will show us to come near to the any one of the page of the PT1. For the offset for 16 kb, the 16 kb by 4 bytes. We already seen 4 bytes. 16 kb by 4 bytes is equals to 2 power 12 entries. This offset we need 12 to reach here. 10 bits we need any one of the page. Okay, let us do this. Two power 10 pages. In one page, how many? 12 bits. How we got this 12 bits? 16 kb by 4 bytes is equals to 2 power 12 bytes. So how many bits we need? 12 bits. That is the calculation. Okay. Now outer page table size 2. Now we created OT1 we created and OT2 now we created. OT2 have 2 power 10 entries. 2 power 10 entries. These 2 power 10 entries of what? OT outer table 1 pages, 2 power 10 pages. Okay. So this is the size of OT2 is equals to 2 power 10 into each entry is 4 bytes, 2 power this will be 2 power 12, 2 power 2 into 2 power 10, 4 kb. Now OT2 size is 4 kb, my dear friends. OT1 size is, we calculated in the previous one. OT1 we calculated 16 MB. Actual table we calculated previously, that is 64 GB. My dear friends, first we calculated this so big it cannot be fit in a single page, single frame. Then we divided into sub. Now this 4 kb can fit into 4 kb is definitely fit into 16 kb is less than 16 kb. Now this table is stored in one of the frame. Okay,